Ever wondered how much YouTube pays small creators? So I have one of my videos with 30,000 views. In today's video, I'm going to show you my exact earning and I'm going to break it down step by step. Trust me, it's going to surprise you. Hi guys, my name is Favor. Are you a small creator and you are wondering whether YouTube really pays, how much YouTube pays small creators? This video is for you and trust me, it's going to encourage you to keep pushing on your YouTube journey. So without much wasting of our time, let's go into my earnings. I'm going to be doing a screen recording and I will show it on my screen. So let's dive into that. So here I have a video that have gotten 32.26 views, that's 2,256 views since it was published. Okay, as you can see on my screen, you can see the number of views, that's 6.2k views, and then it has given me the watch time of 1.6k watch time. If you're someone looking for watch time, one video can actually give you your 4,000 watch time. And then I've gotten 883 subscribers from this video, from just this video. Okay, so let's see, before we get to the revenue, let's see the reach. How this video got 150k impression. That means it's reached 150k people, and then I had 32,000 views, which is not bad anyway. And let's see 15.2% click-through rate, which is not bad. That's 2.2k views, which is not bad. How do they find my video? They found it through YouTube search, external, other features, suggested videos, and others. Also, 50% found it from Google. That means, let me not talk here. Anyways, let's see the engagement of this video. Engagement, we have 1.6k watch time hours, and then we have 3.02 average view, which is not bad for 8 minutes long video. It is not bad at all for 8 minutes video. Let's go to the okay, so let's check the audience of this video. You can see that device type, majority are watching from their mobile phone, 4% from computer, then we have tablet, and then TV. Age of these people that are watching, their age ratio, we have 18 to 24 years, 25 to 34 years, and then minimum 35 to 44 years. And then let's say the gender, male and female, that are watching equally. Then it's a top geographical regions watching this video. We have Nigeria, which is the highest audience, and then we have India, we have South Africa. For Nigerians to be watching your videos, you know that your revenue won't be that much anyway. If I have majority of US, other countries, high countries, my revenue will be good. Okay, then subtitle and every other things. Therefore, let's now go to revenue, which is the main reason for this video. So let's go to revenue. So here is the revenue of this video, how the video perform, how to make money. Okay, so let's see. So here is the revenue of this video. You can see that I got $74.22, 74.22. Okay, so we have watch page ads, we have YouTube premium. So your video performance, I got my estimated video revenue was $74.22. Total view 32.2k views. For every revenue per 1k, $2.03, which is for every 1k views I had, they pay me $2 for every 1k views. And how much were advertisers paying? Advertisers were paying $4.82 for this video, but for every 1k views I got paid $2.3, which is not that bad. Which it's anyway, it because of the region that are watching my videos. Okay, from the region, you can see. So if it is coming from UK, US, all those top countries, this would be much more higher. But it is not bad for a small creator like me with just 6,000 subscribers. It is not bad. And comparing to the amount of views I'm having, my subscribers and all that, it is not bad for a small creator. So this is to advise you today to take your YouTube journey very serious. If you take it serious, you are going to actually make it. YouTube is actually a long. This video that got me this, I actually published this video long before I got monetized. And immediately I got monetized, it started paying me. So even every video you're putting out now, it is not it will still pay you in the future. Okay, every video you're putting out now will still pay you in the future. Just keep posting. Before you know it, you get monetized, and all those videos, all those suffering of years back are going to repeat. If you're a small creator and you're monetized and you already have 30,000 views in any of your videos, comment in my comment section. Let me know how much 30,000 views have actually earned you in any of your videos. Remember that this particular channel I got this from, my particular channel is a make money channel, and it differs from every other channel. If you're in entertainment, if you're in comedy, if you're in any other, it depends on your niche and the location of people that are watching you. So that's some of the factors that affect your earning, your niche, and location of people watching you. So if you're a small creator, earning, comment in the chat, and we can also support each other. All right. See you on my next post.